So guys, let's refresh again so that you see, right? So let's refresh again. Boom, you can see we have from 124 followers to now 168 followers. You can see it's increasing. Even the more I keep refreshing, we see that these followers are still coming. So if we come to this inbox right here and tap on these followers, you can see that these people just started following us now. They are just following us now. So in the previous video I made, I actually taught you guys how I actually grew this particular TikTok from 0 to 120 followers, right? So I'm going to be actually making a new video right here with you guys, and we are going to be taking this account from this 120 followers to 200 and something followers instantly. This thing I'm doing is not something that will take you like days or weeks. It's instantly. Now you will see all these things will happen. Right, so I'm going to be introducing you guys to this platform called growbetter.net, right? As you can see right here on the screen, growbetter.net. All you need to do is for you to just come to this platform, create an account, fund your account, and do exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and you start gaining followers on TikTok. So firstly, I'm going to be starting by teaching you guys how to create an account in this platform. So all we need to do, if you want to create an account, is for you to come right here. Can you see right here? You can see this sign up right here. You just need to tap on this sign up. Can you see? You just need to tap on it. And once you tap on this sign up right here, you can see here the root username. Just create a username, any username you're creating. Do not give space. If you give space, it will not work. Write everything together and it's going to definitely work. And put your email right here. You just need to put your email, and the next thing is to create a password. Once you create a password, confirm the password you created. And after you've done confirming, the next thing is to click on this "I'm not a robot" right here. Can you see? You just need to tap on this "I'm not a robot," and it's going to tick. And once it's tick, you just need to click on this sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there is no need for me to actually start creating a new account again, right? So I just need to log into my account and show you guys step by step how to do this, right? So let's go. Welcome back, guys. So right here I've logged into my account. So if you want to actually boost your TikTok followers, what you need to do is for you to just come to this category. Can you see this category right here? You need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see Instagram follow, Instagram likes, and all those things. So these are other services that is on this platform, but right here we're going to be TikTok. We're going to be boosting TikTok. So let's go to TikTok. Right here you can see this TikTok followers. Can you see these TikTok followers right here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this service right here. Can you see the services? You need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you select the preferable service you want. But most times I always use this first one, right? You need to select the first one, right? So the next thing you need to do is for you to read the description to actually understand what you're doing in this platform, right? So in this description, they say minimum is 100, which means that the minimum followers you can order in this platform is 100, and the max you can order is 300,000 followers. And the link type is your TikTok profile link. Do not use your TikTok post link. Use your TikTok profile link. And also right here they say quality is a global users, right? And they also say note, when the service is busy, the speed of starting this process changes. And also they say do not place the second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So if you place an order, you just need to exercise patience. They are going to come and they are going to complete. So because if you place an order and it's not completed, and you place another on that same particular link, it's going to disturb the both of them, and none of them is going to work, right? So after you read the description, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this place that they wrote link and paste your profile link. So if you don't know how to copy your profile link, just hold on, let me take you to TikTok. Let's show you how to copy profiling. So let's go to TikTok. Okay, so here is TikTok, and as you can see, this particular TikTok just had only 120 followers, right? So what we need to do right now, if you want to copy the profiling, you just need to come and tap on this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to right here. You're going to be seeing this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Just tap on this copy link, and once you tap on the copy link, your link will be copied. Just come to this platform and paste it right here. And once you paste, the next you need to do is just to come to this quantity right here and insert the amount of followers you want. Right here I'm going to be doing only 100, so I'm going to be inserting 100. And once you have inserted the quantity you want, the next thing is for you to just click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Just tap on it, and as you can see right here, they said my order have been received. Easy peasy. So all I need to do is for me to just wait, and these followers will start coming to my page. Easy peasy. But there's something I want you guys to understand, that in this platform, this thing we are doing is not free. You need to pay money for it to actually use them. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to fund accounts in this platform. So what you need to do is for you to just come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? You need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just to tap on it. So once you tap on that add fund, right, You just need to wait. And as you can see in this platform, right, they have two payment option, so what you need to do to tap on this dot right here. Once you tap on the dot, you can see there is Quora Pay, there's manual. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. So if you want to use Quora Pay, all you need to do is for you to just come and select Quora Pay and put the amount of money you want to fund. If it's 1,000, put 1,000. Then click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay? Tap on it. So once you tap on the pay, you are going to wait, because Quora Pay is going to show you something, right? So right here, Quora Pay said, how would you like to pay, right? Would you want to pay with debit card? Would you want to pay with bank transfer? Would you want to pay with bank? So if you want to pay with debit card, just to select debit card, put your card details right here and click on pay. Easy peasy, your payment will be gone. But some people don't like putting their card on platform, so that's the reason why there are other payment options, right? You just need to go back, and if you want to use bank transfer, all you need to do is just to select on this bank transfer, and right here they say before you make transfer you should read these instructions right here. You just need to read the instruction. After reading the instruction, just click on this I understand this instruction, and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, Quora Pay is going to provide the account number that you're going to be making payment to. You can see right here this Fidelity Bank, and you can see the account number, you can see the account name, Quora IGR. So very simple. So what you just need to do is just to go to your bank app, make a payment to that account number. You don't even need to do anything, just make payment and wait right here, and the thing is going to refresh and your account will be funded automatically. All right, so but if you want to use manual, let me show you how to use manual. You just need to go back, right? So once you select manual, if you select manual, you can see right here they have instruction right here. They said kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the first bank, and you can see the name on it, which is Maximilian. And right here they say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. So if you want to send money, send from 1,000 up, right? And they say provide proof of payment, which is payment screenshot with your username, so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on the link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. Once you tap on that contact us, it will take you to their WhatsApp number, and all you just need to do is for you to send your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, and they are going to confirm your payment. But also, if you don't understand, you can click on this WhatsApp icon right here, and you see this WhatsApp icon right here, it will take you to their WhatsApp number. Just chat them and they send your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, and they are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. All right, so we're going to be going back to that TikTok account to actually check if these followers have started coming in. So let's go back to TikTok. So you guys remember that before we made on that platform, what we had right here is 120 followers. So we don't need to refresh to see if they are already coming. You can see right here we have 124 followers, which means that these followers have started coming. So come and click on inbox right here. Once you click on it, you can see the notification of the followers, and once you tap on it, you will see that this follower just started coming 1 minute ago. So all we need to do is for us to just wait again a little bit so that you see the more will come in. Right, so guys, let's refresh again so that you see, right? So let's refresh again. Boom, you can see we have from 124 followers to now 168 followers. You can see it's increasing. Even the more I keep refreshing, you see that these followers are still coming. So if we come to this inbox right here and tap on these followers, you can see that these people just started following us now. They are just following us now. So it was 168 now. So let's refresh again. You can see it's now 169. So now, so they, as you can see right now, is now 170. Right, so this is how they will keep coming in, right, until they complete. So very simple and easy peasy. So if you want to actually boost your followers, all you need to do is for you to just come to this platform, growbetter.net, right? You just need to come and create an account and fund your account and place an order. Just do it exactly the same way I did in this video, and you start getting these followers. And if you are in Ghana, you don't need to worry. Just go to growbettergh.com. I'm going to be putting the two links in the description. Just click on the one for Ghana, and boom, place your order, and instantly you start getting all these things, right? So if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.